I've been making money online now full-time since 2017. When I started, I was 50 and broke, and I've completely turned my life around. But the good news is that making money online is getting easier and easier thanks to AI. I've just spent a few minutes on my computer, and this has enabled me to create an incredible video literally by writing one word. Now, the video is promoting one of the highest converting offers on a platform called ClickBank, where you can earn affiliate commissions that are paid directly into your bank, and you don't have to do anything other than get people to click your special affiliate link. Everything else is taken care of for you. Now, ClickBank is massive and also do a lot of physical business. So although you might think making money online and ClickBank is all about digital products, a lot of the really successful products on ClickBank are actually physical health products. And the example I'm going to show you today is one of those. So let's go over to my PC now and I'm going to show you how easy this is. Okay, so if you don't already have one, get yourself a ClickBank account. That's free. This is where you can earn affiliate commissions in a wide range of different niches, as you can see here. New offers: health and fitness, e-business, spirituality, self-help, home and garden, cooking, wine, green products, business investing. Now, if you just click in the search button and hit return, you're going to get the top offer on the entire platform. This is shown at the moment as Nagano Tonic. And here we have the gravity score 327, which basically means there are 327 affiliates generating income each month from this at the moment, and that the average conversion is 146.91. Now, the one that I just tried this for was Java Burn, and this has got a gravity score of 165, so it's doing very, very well. $150 is the average conversion value. So you're also going to need to get an account at CapCut. I've got a paid for account. It cost me £10.99 in sterling, British pounds per month, so it's not too much. Now, if we go to script to video, then using the power of AI, what we can do is we can put a / and then you can get AI to write the script. Now, this is great because this is all I did. So I've said write a script for Java Burn that I can use to promote it. Click on continue and the script is being generated. So it's written the script and now we can choose the voice. If we click on the headphones, we can have a listen.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today.
So we can see we've got to make a couple of changes. Java Burn is a weight loss product, and this is saying, hey there, tech enthusiasts. So the changes that I would make would be as follows. So I've just typed in, would you love to be able to eat what you like, yet still lose weight? And then we'll leave the rest as it is, looks okay. And then we're going to click on generate. Now it says smart generation or custom generation. Smart means that the AI will add the videos and the pictures. Custom means that you can do yourself. We're going to go for smart, and then we can edit that afterwards. So the first one is done, and this is what it looks like.
Would you love to be able to eat what you like, yet still lose weight? Today, we're going to talk about Java Burn, a revolutionary...
Now, there's a few things that I'd want to change about this. I've just gone through the video. For a start, it does say at the end about tech tips and recommendations, so we need to change that. So we're going to edit the script, plus we're going to edit the video itself, plus I'm going to change the voice to a British one. Instead of saying thanks for tuning in, don't forget to follow and subscribe, I think what we're going to say is check the link for more details, because we obviously want them to go to that video. Now, the video for Java Burn is actually very powerful. I can show you that.
Steady, all-day energy without any crash, while dramatically enhancing your health and immunity.
Now, the small part of the sales video that I've seen, I'd expect this to convert very well, and so it's no wonder that it is converting very well. So coming back over here then, I'm going to choose the British mail, and I'm going to go generate. Now, we've got it at 916. As you can see, 916 is vertical. That's for TikTok, YouTube and Instagram, and that's exactly what we want for this. So once again, we'll go generate and let that get on with it. So we've got a completely new version now.
Would you love to be able to eat what you like, yet still lose weight?
Right, so we're obviously going to want to change some things because this has got recycling here, but it's going to be very simple to do that. Now, I like the fact that there's coffee being drunk at the beginning, because it does have coffee in the product. So we're going to go on edit video. The first thing that I'd like to change are these captions, because they're a little bit boring. So first of all, we want to replace this recycling video here, and I've typed in coffee, and I'm just going to take one that I like the look of. If you just scroll from right left or left to right over these, you can see what happens in the video. So it gives you an idea of if it's something that's going to work for your video. So I'm just going to go for this one. I'm going to click and drag it and put it onto there, and you'll see the word replace comes up, and I just stick that in there, and it's already pre-trimmed it. I'm just going to go done, and then that's probably going to look a lot better.
Wait, today we're going to talk about Java Burn.
Yeah, much better. So we'll just scroll through and see what we've got next. So this is somebody with some flour. So we're going to change that one as well. I've just typed in fit, and I'll drag that on and replace that. And once again, it's trimmed it. I go done. And we just go through and we just check any of these that we feel that we need to replace. So notice that this one looks like a coffee mug on a stove directly or something, so don't really like the look of that. So I'll drag this one in there, it says replace, and it's trimmed it, good to go. I'll just carry on doing that until we're done. Once you're happy with it, then you just click export and it will export it. I've exported it to an MP4 format, which is video obviously. And just to say that if you don't find any stock video in there that suits what you want, you can use any video you want at all. So you could go to free video providers, or for example, you could go to somebody like Envato Elements and get videos from there if you've got an account. Now, if you're getting value out of this video, or you've got value out of any of my videos, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything in the future. So we'll just take a quick look at a part of this so you can see how it came out.
Give it a shot, and you might just find yourself on the path to a healthier, happier you.
So as you can see, that's a very passable video. It was very easy to do. We used AI to generate it, and we've got a pretty good result at the end. Now, all we would need to do is come over to ClickBank and get our affiliate link. So we click on promote, put in your affiliate nickname. So my affiliate nickname is OfferCheck, and click on continue. You've got various different parameters in here, but essentially this is your link down here. So if I copy that link there, that gives me the affiliate link. When I come up here and paste that in and hit return, that's going to go through to that sales video, and it says tap to resume because I've been here before.
Or if you ask any of the countless thousands.
Okay, so that's how you get your affiliate link, and that is the link that you're going to put in your video to promote it. Now, if you are interested in viral videos, I actually have a program called Virality, which will teach you how to go viral with faceless viral Instagram videos, and you can use this as a side hustle. Now, with Virality, we're actually giving you over 1,000 done for you videos. It's a huge package, plus the training on how to go viral with it. It's just $12.95, so if you're interested in that, then click on the link below this video. Now, on this video now, you will see there is another video which is actually a review video of that product that I told you about, so you might want to go ahead and click on that now. I'll see you on the next video. All the best.